Electric furnaces are one of the best solutions for heating your home when access to alternative fuels isn't available. Many of our customers have asked, how much do they cost? In this video, we'll go over options and price ranges for electric furnaces that could work for you. Hi, I'm Luke with Fire and Ice. Did you know that nearly 40% of homeowners in the United States use electricity to heat their homes? Even though most of our customers here in Central Ohio use natural gas, we have thousands of customers asking us about electric furnaces and how much they cost. In this video, we've broken electric furnaces into 3 categories: entry-level, mid-range, and high-end. In each category, we'll go over a range of prices, some specific models, features and benefits, and see who might benefit most from that type of electric furnace. By the end of this video, we hope you'll know the typical costs associated with electric furnaces and air handlers and give you a better idea which type is right for you. If you find today's content helpful, subscribe to our channel for weekly educational content. Let's begin and explore entry-level electric furnaces. If you're looking to install an entry-level electric furnace in your home, expect to pay anywhere between $3,400 and $4,950. At Fire and Ice, all of our estimates include the cost of equipment, labor, and any additional fees. Keep in mind that there are a number of factors that can fluctuate the price, including the size of equipment, location, and any installation modifications necessary to ensure a proper installation. An example of an entry-level electric furnace is the Trane TEM 4. With entry-level electric furnaces, you will specifically find a single-stage blower, meaning it is either off or on, providing reliable, straightforward heating for your home. An entry-level electric furnace will meet any minimum heating requirements for your home. If you are a homeowner on a budget, looking to sell your home in the near future, or don't have a need for heat, an entry-level electric furnace could be for you. Although, if you're needing more oomph during the winter, it might be worth considering an electric furnace with more features. Mid-range electric furnaces are the next category and come with more features and benefits. Mid-range electric furnaces range between $4,300 and $6,550. Like the entry-level furnaces, their price can be affected by the size of your home, the location, and any necessary modifications needed during installation. Some examples of a mid-range electric furnace would be the Trane TEM 6 or the TEM 8. With mid-range electric furnaces, you're going to see cost savings in energy, thanks to its multi-speed blower motor. Mid-range electric furnaces are ideal for homeowners who are looking to reduce their energy bill without spending a fortune to do so. Also, mid-range electric furnaces can solve comfort problems like uneven temperature, thanks to their multi-speed motors. However, if you have a lot of heating and cooling issues, you will see the most benefit from our next category of electric furnaces. Before we go on to the next section, give us a like and leave a comment after you finish this video. We'd love to hear what you have to say and answer any questions you may have. And did you know we have even more resources on our website? Click the link here to visit our Learning Center for more in-depth information. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more great content. Now on to our final category, high-end electric furnaces. The typical price range for high-end electric furnaces can range between $6,250 and $7,600. These prices can change based on a number of factors, including the size of your home, the location of the system, and any necessary modifications needed during installation. Some examples of high-end electric furnaces include the Trane TAM 9 or the Trane GAM 5. So, what's so special about high-end electric furnaces? Variable speed blowers can ramp up or down based on your needs. Communicating technology, customized comfort settings, whisper quiet technology, and energy efficiency and savings, just to name a few. If you're a homeowner and looking for ultimate control over your indoor comfort and wanting to save on your utility bills, a high-end electric furnace might be right for you. I will say this category is not for everyone though. If you don't have many comfort problems or you're on a budget, a mid-range or even an entry-level furnace might better fit your needs. It should be noted that with all electric furnaces, regardless of the type, they are 100% efficient since all the energy used goes directly to heating your home. However, heating your home with electricity can be expensive due to the cost. If you live in a region where winters can be harsh and rely on electricity to heat your home, it's recommended to pair your electric furnace with a heat pump. A heat pump takes the burden of heating your home away from your electric furnace in milder temperatures, and your electric furnace is used as auxiliary heat. Heat pumps can range in price from $5,500 to $13,000. When choosing a heat pump, it's important to have one that is compatible with your electric furnace. Consult with your local HVAC professional to go over your options. If you want to know more information on electric furnaces, feel free to click the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, let us know by leaving a comment, and feel free to like and subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notifications every time we upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to making your day better.